If you carry stuff in your pockets, this video is for you. Now, I have been an EDC enthusiast for many years now, and for the uninitiated, EDC stands for Everyday Carry. And your everyday carry is simply the various items that you carry with you on your person to get you through the day. The most basic for most people would be a phone and a wallet, but EDC usually refers to the items that go beyond the basics, like a pen, flashlight, pocket knife, and any further additional things that you need. So I'm going to show you what I got, how I carry it, and what I'm using to carry it. For the longest time, I was carrying my gear in my pockets, and as most people do, it is the most practical and convenient option with your gear at the ready. However, over this past summer season, I switched over to the Sling bag carry. I'm using this Alpaca Elements Tech Case Mini, which I've even got some Paracord's mod for, but more on that in a bit. So first up, let me show you what I typically carry. So there's the mandatory phone. In the inner pocket here, I've got a Google Pixel 6, and in the outer front pocket, I've got my wallet. I'm using the Extra card holder, a nice sleek minimal wallet. Moving to the pen loop here, I have the Tactile Turn Ultim pen, and this is the short version. Loving this pen so far. In one of these two inner mesh pockets, I've got a mini bottle of hand sanitizer, and I've got some sanitizing wipes in the mesh pocket, a small handkerchief from Awesome Hanks, great for wiping off your phone or glasses. Now, I don't carry too much else in the main pocket, but I do sometimes carry a small phone charger in case. In this main pocket here, it's mostly empty except for my pocket knife. This is the Civivi Baby Banter, the fully blacked out version, and also a photon bead on the end of it from Prometheus Lights. And for my flashlight, I've got an Olight i3T, also in black to match the knife. And I like to keep these two tools clipped to the accordion section of the bag here, just so that they're not floating around loose in the bag, as they could fall out if the bag is open. And here there is a hidden zipper pocket that has another 3 small pockets on the inside, as well as a charging cable, of course. Here I like to keep my loose change and a small Swiss Army knife. This is the Victorinox Classic SD with some micarta scales from Barnescraft EDC. That's what's in the bag, and clipped on the strap here is the Alpaca Hub keychain, which allows me to attach and detach my keys very quickly and securely from the bag. It uses a magnet and can only be removed when I lift up on it, upwards. So when I pull down, I can detach my car key if necessary. So there are some nice advantages to using a pouch, especially in the summer when you don't have jacket pockets. You can also save a lot of wear and tear on your pants, as you don't have the pocket clips from your knife and flashlight wearing out the seams, or a phone or wallet that will wear out rectangles on your pants pockets. Now, just looking at the pouch itself, or rather case, this is the Tech Case Mini, and I absolutely love this thing. It's just the right size to carry all my gear, but at the same time not too small so that I feel limited, and also not too big to be cumbersome. So this size to me is perfect for EDC. If I were traveling, I might go for something a bit bigger, and there's plenty of pockets as you saw, as it should be more than enough to accommodate most EDC loadouts. Now, I also did purchase the upgraded magnetic quick detach strap. It's a bit thicker and more comfortable than the stock strap, but of course you can always add some paracord to your strap if you want to make it more comfortable. I love the blood orange lining that is made of honeycomb 200D ripstop nylon on the inside of the bag. So not only does it give it a nice pop of color, but if you have dark or black colored accessories like my phone here or whatnot, it also makes it easier to see your gear as it doesn't disappear into the void of the bag. And it's easier to grab things in low light conditions too without a flashlight. The case itself is made of weatherproof X-Pack VX42, and in addition to that, zippers are YKK waterproof. So this is something that can definitely stand up to a bit of wet weather. Now to the Paracord mods. You saw the strap mod, and on the outside here I looped a bit of black paracord through this logo tag, and I just tied a noose knot. And I use this to keep a hero clip attached to my bag. Now, I love these hero clips because they're not just a regular carabiner. They can quickly transform to a bag hook, which allows me to hang my bag onto the edge of a table, top of a stall door, or anywhere else the hook can hook onto. And last mod is another Olight flashlight. This is the iMini 10, and this little guy is attached to the zipper pull. There's a magnet holding the light to its base, and when you detach the light, it automatically turns on. You place it back and then it turns off. So this little light is perfect for those moments where you just need a little bit of illumination quickly. So overall, the versatility and quality of this bag makes it a winner for me. And not only that, these do come in very reasonably priced. The packaging is a bit no frills, but the value you're really getting is in the product. So I have many products from Alpaca Gear that I've purchased for myself, and I've been very happy with all of them. So if you like this Alpaca Tech Case Mini, feel free to follow my link down below, and be sure to use code WEAVERS15 to get a sweet 15% off your purchase.